Do you know what changed everything for me in real estate? It wasn't a new CRM. It wasn't another lead funnel. It was the moment I stopped guessing what my customers wanted and started knowing. And no, I'm not psychic. I just learned how to use AI as my digital empathy engine. So today I'm breaking down exactly how artificial intelligence lets me understand buyer and seller behavior at a level that simple analytics never could. We're talking patterns, emotions, timing, and the why behind every click. If you're still treating data like a spreadsheet instead of a conversation, this video will flip your entire strategy. So let's go. Guys, I'm Carrie Soave, the leading AI strategist in real estate. I help agents and business owners replace outdated, high cost marketing with AI systems that actually make money. And if you're ready to simplify, scale, and dominate your market with AI, you are in the right place. So here's the thing most agents miss. Traditional analytics tell you what happened. Somebody visited your listing page, cool. They clicked on your email, great. But they don't tell you why. Why did they bounce after 10 seconds? Why did they open your email at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday? Why did they ghost you after requesting a showing? You're left connecting dots that don't connect. And worse, you're building customer personas based on guesses. First time home buyer, luxury investor, static labels that don't evolve. But here's the truth, people change, their needs shift, their priorities evolve. And if your understanding of them doesn't keep up, you're always one step behind. So what's the fix? You stop treating data like numbers and start treating it like behavior. And that's where AI comes in. Think of AI like this. It's a digital empathy engine that learns from every interaction your customers have with you. Every click, every comment, every email open, every scroll. AI just doesn't collect that data, it decodes it. It finds the patterns that you'd never see manually. It connects behaviors across platforms. It builds a living, breathing profile of each person in your world. Here's an example. Let's say someone visits your site, checks out 3 condos in the same neighborhood, then downloads your buyer's guide. 2 days later, they've engaged with your Instagram story about market trends in that exact area. Old analytics, they'd show you 4 separate actions. AI, it says, this person is serious about buying in this neighborhood. They're researching, they're ready to talk, reach out now. Do you guys see the difference? AI doesn't just track behavior, it interprets intent. And when you know intent, you know exactly how to serve people. So let me ask you something. Would you rather send 100 emails and hope 5 people respond, or send 10 emails to people who are actually ready to move? That's what predictive analytics does. Tools powered by AI that can tell you when someone's getting close to a decision. They score leads based on engagement, behavior history, and thinking patterns. So instead of cold outreach, you're doing warm follow-up. At the exact moment someone's primed to say yes, here's how it works in practice. AI tracks when people return to your site, how long they stay, and what pages they revisit. It notices if they suddenly start engaging more or go quiet. It flags when someone's behavior shifts from just browsing to ready to buy. And it tells you about it. So no more guessing when to follow up. No more just checking in emails that go nowhere really fast. You reach out when it matters, when they're ready, when your message will land. And that's not luck, that is leverage. Now, here's where it gets really wild. AI can read emotion. I'm serious. It scans reviews, messages, social media comments, even email replies, and picks up on tone and sentiment. It tells you what people feel about your brand, not just what they say. Think about that for a second. Someone leaves a lukewarm review, nice service, decent experience, sounds fine, right? But the AI catches the hesitation, the lack of enthusiasm, the subtle dissatisfaction hidden in decent. Or flip it. Someone messages you late at night with a ton of questions. Manual read, annoying. AI read, high intent, emotionally invested, needs reassurance. This is game changing for reputation management. You can spot issues before they blow up. You can double down on what's working. You can personalize responses based on mood, not just content. And the best part, you're not doing this manually. AI is doing the heavy lifting while you focus on connecting. So, do you remember those old customer avatars? First time buyer, age 28 to 35, interested in condos, static, lifeless, outdated the second you write them down. AI throws all of that out of the window. Instead, it builds living profiles that evolve in real time. Someone starts as a casual browser. They engage with your content on downsizing. Then they attend your webinar on selling before buying. Then they request a market analysis. AI updates their profile at every step. It shifts their category. It adjusts their score. It reshapes how you talk to them. So by the time you actually connect, you're not guessing who they are. You know them. You know their stage. You know their concerns, their timeline, their triggers. And you can actually speak to them like a human, not a lead. So when I say that AI helps me understand my customers better, here's what I really mean. It helps me see the human side of data. It connects the dots between emotion, action, and intent. It turns behavior into insight, and it turns insight into strategy. And it lets me serve people faster, smarter, and more personally than I ever could before. If you're still relying on a gut feeling and a static spreadsheet, then you're leaving money and relationships on the table. AI isn't the future of real estate marketing. It's the now. So what are you waiting for? If this hits home, drop a comment and let me know you're using AI in your business. And if you want more strategies like this, then hit subscribe because we're just getting started. I'll see you inside the next one. If something sparked an idea for you here today for your business, comment the word solution below. Let's start building your AI system today. Don't just watch others win with AI. Let's build your solution together.